Hey everybody, it's Cliff here. Thanks for stopping by, and my next video on deck is CineSational. Now this is a fountain water show, projection show with drones and fireworks that plays at Universal Orlando, and it takes you through sort of the entire history of Universal's movies. It's got lots of monsters in it from the past. It's got Steven Spielberg movies and John Williams music. It's just a wonderful show that's so well put together. I really think that Universal Creative just did a great job on this, as they've been doing with a lot of stuff lately. So I did produce it in 8K. It's a multicam. It was recorded in my Deep Space Audio recording technology, so turn that volume up. And there's going to be a live stream where I'll go ahead and premiere it, and we can do Q&A. Ask me any questions you want, and we can all watch it there. And I like to talk probably a lot about what the great things that Universal is doing these days. And that's it, guys. If you look below, here is when the live stream is going to premiere. It's very, very soon. So I hope to see you guys all there, and let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And I'm going to whet your appetite with a little tiny taste of what CineSational looks and sounds like. So see you on the live stream, and that's it, guys. Without any further ado, here is a little teaser for CineSational.